Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will delve into the advanced functionality of DeliverySuite data import. This is an advanced video, which will rely heavily on the knowledge that can be found in previous tutorials. If you ever find yourself uncertain during any part of this process, don't hesitate to reach out to your dispatch team for assistance. Let's get started. Before we dive into the import process, ensure you have the import template ready. You should have a copy of it on your computer, but if you don't, your dispatch team can provide it to you. Typically, this file is in CSV format, compatible with spreadsheet applications such as Microsoft Excel. Upon opening it, you'll be greeted with a table. To enhance readability, click on the small gray triangle to select the entire page. Then, click and expand the line between columns A and B slightly. You may choose to select row 1 and use the formatting options to make it more visible, perhaps by changing its color. I picked yellow. These steps will make the entire page clearer. Remember to fill out the template exactly as shown. The more consistent and accurate your data input, the fewer errors you'll encounter during the import process. Once you've filled it out, don't forget to remove any sample data from the template. To do this, click, hold, and drag to select the rows with sample data. Then right-click on the highlighted rows and choose the Delete option. You'll see the fields shift back to the top. Finally, select File and choose Save As to save the file with a different name to avoid overwriting the original template. Once saved and ready, we can proceed with the import in the DeliverySuite. The import process itself is relatively straightforward. You can import either shipments or addresses. The process is identical for both. After logging into the program, expand the Tools section and select the Importer option. From the top drop-down menu, choose the customer's name for whom you're importing data. In our example, it's North Wind. If the customer's name is not available, contact your dispatch team to enable this feature for you. Next, select the type of import you want to perform. In our case, we'll demonstrate the Load Shipment import. Then click Browse to select the appropriate file, and once it's loaded, click Upload File. Now let the program do its work. The duration of this process depends on your file's size and the number of records, ranging from a few seconds to a few minutes. After the upload, the main table on the page will populate with information related to your data. Here, you'll have several options. You can delete the upload. You can download the file. You can get a quick preview that shows additional information about your data. The data lines will indicate the number of entries you attempted to set. Lines remaining will show the number of shipments that didn't go through. Lines with errors and messages will detail how many records weren't transferred and where errors occurred. If you encounter too many errors, it might be necessary to review your upload template. However, if there are no errors, we can return to the DeliverySuite and select the Load Search option. Now, let's locate the newly uploaded shipments. Simply select Created Date From, choose the date of the upload, and hit the Search button. If everything went smoothly, you should see the list of uploaded shipments. Importing an address book follows a similar process, with results appearing under the My Addresses section instead of a load search. While the import function may seem a bit tricky, most of the work happens in the import templates. After you've prepared your files, the rest of the process is a breeze. As mentioned earlier, if you encounter any difficulties along the way, don't hesitate to contact your dispatch team for assistance. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, we look forward to seeing you in our next video.